Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So your friend Kumar is back with the review of another good college in Karnataka. It's called Ballari Institute of Technology and Management. So it's located in Bellary and which is part of the Hyderabad Karnataka region, right? And they too take admission through KCET mode of admission, and Comet K as well. So let's review this college. This is one of the good placement college, which is 20 to 27 lakhs is the highest salary. And why I'm reviewing this college is the NAC grade rating for this college. It's a A+ grade rated college, right? So let's see, if you see from the last few years, this college has been constantly in the A+ category, and only the third engineering college in Karnataka to earn A+ grade. So this is only one of the three top colleges in Karnataka to have A+ NAC rating, and the first college in the the Hyderabad Karnataka region to get that. So that's the reason I am doing the review of this college. So let's take them. Some UG programs have those typical branches, CSC, EC, I'll cover in detail those things. So one of the best thing is it's one of the among the 37 colleges out of 230 colleges in Karnataka. So it's in top 37, and the infrastructure of this college is also very good. Apart from the placement, which I will cover in detail in some time, and you can see the classrooms, the computational facilities, all at very excellent level, right? So that makes it extremely beautiful. You can see the auditorium hall, right? So it's located in Ballari, but is a territory where Sonia Gandhi or Indira Gandhi used to contest in Karnataka, right? So that is the constituency, and it has got a very beautiful facilities, in terms of infrastructure programs. As I said, computer science, EC, artificial intelligence, the computer related branches, and then mechanical, electrical, civil, the other branches. So in this college there is no ISC branch, right? Information science branch. There's MB programs, and apart from that there are different other physics, chemistry, maths related departments which help in these two UG and the PG programs. So today I will cover mostly of the engineering programs, and so let's start with the different branches. As the computer science branches, right? So it has a very well defined curriculum, right? Part of VTU, and it is an excellent placement records, right? The second is a B in artificial intelligence and machine learning. So they recently started a new generation branch. So it covers cyber security, face recognition, data analysis, transport, emotional bots, and the other different specialization areas, right? And this is about the EC branch, very standard and a very good placement also for EC. So they also have a very good VLSI design, or the modern communication related technologies which are evolving. So you can also take this branch. Electrical triple branch is also not that bad. You can even take this triple branch in this college, because it has got a good focus on the programs where interaction with the industry giants in that particular field is there. Mechanical is also decent, not that bad in this college. So amenities and facilities wise it is good, and as well as the industry interaction is also the best. So I'll suggest you can take mechanical as well. Only civil is what you can avoid. About the management studies, as I said, so this is also a complete faculty which is available in this college. So if you want to do MBA and you're from that region, definitely you can try this college, and that is the best part of it. And as I said about the they have a lot of focus on research, and that's why they have a startup incubation center, so where they do research on the newer generation, and they get a good amount of funding from different organizations, right? So that's a BITM research center, and well, central library is also very good. Other facilities at BITM I'm showing into a picture here. So have a good transportation, as well as different type of auditoriums for conducting different, and they have open air theater, right? And so everything which is there required in the best engineering colleges are there. Hostel facilities are there for both boys and the girls, so there is no attached, but there is no issue at all. And you can see some of the pictures of the beds, and your canteen area and the cafeteria area, as well as the hostels, right? So this is just to give you complete background before I go to the placement part, which is the best, right? So this is the sports facilities also is very well in the campus. You have equipped gym, plus your indoor games, as well as apart from volleyball, cricket, football, which are the major external external sports areas which are part of this college. So that's what. Now let's start with the placement part of it. As I said, 484 students have been placed. So this is the list of place where 484 students got placed, and 84 placed in Cognizant, very mass recruiters. Accenture 79, Tata Motors 45, tagged 32, Infosys 25, Wipro 25, Sonata 22, IBM 16, DXC. So you can see this college has a lot of big mass recruiters. Mindtree 12, 8, Capgemini, and then JSW, which is an engineering side companies, 5, Persistent 5, and then there are a lot of good companies as well. So you see UST, Emphasis 444 each, right? So these are Baiju 3, and then so you can see it has a very big placement record. And coming about the higher salary, so I mentioned 27.7 lakhs. So that will come soon, credential which student has got. But you here you see 16 lakhs, 8 lakhs, 6.5 lakhs, 7.6. So there is a different varieties of companies, different varieties of placements, and different levels of higher salaries which are paid to students, right? So that shows that this college has a strong placement track record, right? And now this is the previous year. So this year 484, previous year also was not bad, 356, and in that year 49 Cognizant, 45 Mindtree, 38 Wipro, 27 Infosys, and so on, right? 15. So you see this college has a mass recruitment companies which are visiting, and this is much more better than the colleges in Bangalore, right? Which are the low rank colleges in Bangalore you are taking, and they are not giving you that return on investment. So this is very good as compared to those, and this is NAC A plus grade category college. This is some more record from I said mentioned, right? So the girl from you see here, Sneha Adobe, right? She got actually 27.7 lakh salary, right? So it's a 10 lakhs fixed plus 17.7 lakhs per year plan, right? So 27 lakhs is by Sneha Adobe, and then Informatica 8 lakhs, Mandeep Singh 10 lakhs, Baiju. So you see a lot of students here and from the Baiju. So Baiju is also giving good 10 lakh salary in this college, and this is the first which I said 27 lakh salary Adobe. Sneha K, right? 10 lakhs per year plus benefit worth rupees 17 lakhs. So total 27 lakhs is the package. And another TCS 7 lakhs. So even those top notch colleges are not giving 3 or 4 lakhs in this college. TCS typically gives 4 lakhs, but now here in TCS is also giving 7 lakhs salary. So that's why different type of students gets placed at different high pay packages. Some more student credentials which they brought in very phone 8 lakhs, right? And others, right? So this was the 350 plus students companies which visited. And apart from the placement, the student life is also very good. You can see they have the event called Explorica, which is their cultural fest, and this is some of the snapshots of from those fest, right? So very vibrant institute, and you can definitely join this. If you are from that region or you are from even Bangalore, you can go to this college, right? So 484 placements and 350 plus placements in 1 year, right? Every year is a very good track record. So please take consider this, and I hope you like this video. So objective of mine is to bring best colleges from Karnataka, and students don't restrict to only Bangalore low rank colleges. Get admission to this and you will have a better prospects and simple life, right, compared to Bangalore. So please do subscribe and like this channel, right? So thank you for watching, and stay tuned.